Hey, Boo!
Hey everybody.
So it is Sunday.
Sunday, I don't know the date. 21st. January. No, January.
June 21st.
What year is it?
I know.
Who
Oh
knows?
my god.
It's June 21st, Sunday.
Yes, yes, yes.
And we are going. Well, at first we were bored. We didn't know. I guess we didn't know what to do today. We were gonna go to Target, and that was gonna be the highlight of our day, I guess. But I suggested we should go to a park that has a hiking trail. It's called Kenneth Hahn. It's like in Culver City. So we're gonna go there and just walk around and get some exercise. And this is like the most, in my mind, socially distancing. Make it right. Socially distancing exercise you can do just by hiking. Hopefully, it's not a lot of people there.
And it's Sunday, so there might be.
And it's Father's Day, so I'm hoping everyone is spending time with their fathers and not hiking.
Oh yeah, happy Father's Day to all you
like to hike.
fathers out there.
Yes, and happy Father's Day. So yeah, it's about like a 20-minute drive. We're just gonna take the streets there.
And we have our masks with us, so
yeah, in case we have to put them on. Which most likely in California they did mandate that when you're in public you do have to wear your mask at all times.
That is true. So we figured we would take you along, kind of show you a little bit of hiking. We have like 1 or 2 errands to run after this, and also I asked you guys if you wanted to see a video on a quick chicken fettuccine alfredo, which we're going to be making later. Actually, not fettuccine alfredo, a broccoli chicken alfredo with a special type of noodle.
Yes.
That is keto friendly. So you guys said yes, so we'll film that too.
Yes.
But spend Sunday with us.
Spend Sunday with us. All right. Bye. Well, we'll be back.
Yeah, we'll be back in like 2 seconds.
Bye. Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old. Alright guys, so we're back. We have our mask on because we're in public. But we're at the park. We just did a little hike up. Let me see if I can turn the camera around.
I don't think you can.
Well, we just did a little hike up, a little hiking trail up here. And then this park continues. It goes all the way around. So it's coming off.
We were just saying, like, it is surprisingly a little bit harder to breathe going up the hill when you have the mask on.
The mask on, yeah. It's a little bit more difficult.
Yeah.
But
the view
is it's a nice view, and if you can see more probably in person than you can on camera. It's a little hazy today.
Yeah.
In LA, but this park has this Kenneth Hahn hiking trail.
Yeah.
And they have this recreational workout area, and it's more that you can go to, but they have it blocked off. Like it's only one person that can work out at a time. You see the plastic bag is covering the other one. So to have social distancing, they block off every other workout piece of equipment. I heard they do the same thing at LA Fitness and stuff like that.
I don't know.
Like only half the workout equipment are usable.
Well, they certainly don't at a gym near us where they're just like, oh, want to wear a mask?
Right.
Don't want to wear a mask? Oh, it's up to you, which is...
Hopefully you guys can hear us through these.
I know. I filmed a video yesterday, and I had to wear my mask because I was inside, and so they could hear me, so it should be okay.
Okay, so...
But we're going to keep hiking.
We're going to keep hiking, and we'll come back when there's more interesting stuff to show.
Yeah.
Doesn't it look like we're in the desert, though, kind of? Yeah, a little bit. But we're not. We're in the city. All right. Bye, you guys. You guys, so we found this along the trail. It's called Hummingbird Garden. And it's a little garden that has all these little bird feeders in the trees.
And they're filled with hummingbirds.
And other birds as well.
But look at this one. I don't think I've really seen as many that are this colorful. There's some that are like bright green and bright blue.
You can see them. I'm zooming in some.
There's so many of them. I'm counting like 10 or 11. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. What a great idea.
Really nice.
Oh, they're so pretty.
And I've been here before, but I've never noticed this hummingbird garden. Really nice. So if you do come here to LA, to this Kenneth Hahn Park in Culver City, then this may be a good place to just stop and look at the birds.
Take in the birds. They're beautiful. We just found this map.
Where we're trying to go, because we've been here before. We couldn't find the waterfall. They have like a Japanese garden with the waterfall.
Gorgeous.
And we couldn't find it, but we found this map, and so now we know that it's here. The waterfall is there.
We're here. So we're gonna
And
take
we're here.
this little path and walk
We're gonna take
all
this
the way
little
down.
path.
We're gonna show you guys the Japanese garden and the waterfall because anyone who knows me knows that I love a water feature. Right,
I
Dave?
think it's this way.
Yay! Off to the waterfall.
So, along our way to look for this waterfall, we found this nice little pond. I think there's fish in it. We're not sure.
I don't know.
But
Like,
it's a
is there
nice
koi
pond.
in it?
I don't think you can fish here though.
No,
It's
I
just
mean not
ducks.
to actual fish, but I mean like, oh,
Maybe.
look, the waterfall goes over there.
Oh, this must be the little waterfall.
Yeah, it's a little water feature. I was wondering if there was like a koi pond. Oh, it goes all the way down, baby. It's a stream.
Yeah, it's a stream, and the water is a bigger
Oh,
river
so
or lake over there. So we can go.
cute.
We're gonna go that way, but
It reminds me of
It's really
Putt
cute.
Putt.
of what?
Putt Putt.
Oh,
Putt Putt golf?
oh.
Oh my gosh. I always know when he has no idea what I'm
putt-putt.
talking
I'm like,
about.
okay, nope, never been there.
Yes, Putt Putt golf. Oh my gosh. It's a river runs through it. We're Brad Pitt.
Very nice. It's very cute.
Oh, it's so cute. I love a water feature. How far does it go? There's a bridge.
There's a bridge, and then like I said, you see the lake over there.
So I can get across.
We're gonna go across here
That's not as fun.
from the bridge.
It's not as fun. What's the hop rock?
Okay, I think we'll go across the bridge. That's why they made it.
Oh my gosh, the road less traveled. So cute.
A lot of people are out, but everyone seems to be socially distanced.
Yeah, but
And most people have a mask on since it's mandated.
These kids know what's up.
Look at the
Go
river.
so far. Look, it goes all the way down to this water.
Yeah, it goes all the way down to the next lake.
What?
I think that's where the waterfall is.
I'm obsessed. Where's the Japanese garden? I was promised a garden.
It's here somewhere.
Alright, this is so cute. I want to come back here when it's nice and hot. Put your toes in the creek.
Alright, you guys, so we're still on this mission to find the Japanese garden. But if anything along the way pops up more interesting, we'll show you.
Yes, we will.
But yeah, alright, we'll be back. So we showed you the one lake with the, or the pond, whatever, it was smaller. And now we found this larger one that the stream led us to.
It's so cute. And look, people are fishing.
People are fishing a little bit, yeah, but I don't know if we can keep the fish here. It's really cute.
It's so cute. Hi,
We
Brother
have
Swan.
ducks.
Hi, duckies.
There's a lot of people out, but I mean, people have been stuck inside, so.
Yeah, but they're wearing masks.
Wearing masks. Get out if
They're
you
wearing
have
masks.
to.
Yeah, they still see this. Oh, look.
Oh, dragonfly.
Oh, all right, majestic.
Okay, ducky.
Uh-huh. Or goose. Geese, swan. You know, I don't know. They will all attack you, so keep it cute. Keep it cute. That's what I say. Everyone has their little puppies out here. It's so
Yeah.
cute. I've seen every kind except for a tiger.
Okay, so mission is still to find this garden.
Yes.
Japanese garden.
And
So-
the waterfall. Wait, is this the waterfall?
No, the waterfall is with the garden.
Okay.
Alright, you guys, we'll be back. So you guys, the fish that you can fish for in the little pond or slash lake, you can eat them.
Oh, how we found this?
Yeah, we found it. So the ones that you can eat are,
Guide to eating fish. Pause it and look.
yeah,
I mean,
pause it and look.
Yeah, this is just around the corner. We had to get away from those birds. You know our history of birds. If you haven't watched the La Perla videos and London when we got attacked and all that. But apparently you can eat them, but
Yeah.
don't worry about these bad fish.
They must be filled the lakes. I'll be afraid of eating all the fish and no fish is left there to eat.
Don't they restock or reprocreate or something? Little
They
fish
should
loving?
reappropriate, but I don't know if it's fast. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna hike up this path. I don't know if it looks as high as it does from here, but it's pretty steep.
It is a mountain path.
Yeah, it's a path. So
Child.
we still haven't found this garden.
Yeah.
Like there was one map where we showed you, and then we haven't been able to find a map at all anywhere else. So we're guessing it's up here,
There's no way.
over the woods and through the hills.
There is no way you are coming all the way up here for this Serenity Japanese garden. This is like,
I think you can.
think?
I've been here before. I don't know where it is though. It was many years ago, and it was in between the mountains and the hills.
well,
It
pray
was like
for us.
nestled away.
You're gonna see us
So we're gonna
sweating up
try.
this thing.
Well,
We're gonna get
I
up here.
like hiking, so this should be fun.
I like
and
hiking,
exhausting.
but it is steep.
All right, you guys, we'll be back. All right, we made it up. David is lost for words.
Yeah.
We made it up. It was pretty steep. Now we just gotta figure out where this garden is. How do you feel?
I feel good, but look at all these holes.
I don't think there's any snakes in there.
These
But
are
there
snake
probably
holes.
no squirrels or groundhogs.
Y'all, tell him the squirrels don't make holes.
Groundhogs do.
Not this small.
I think if there was snakes, there would be like signs that say "Watch out for snakes." Haven't seen that yet. So I haven't hiked in a while, so I'm breathing hard. But, which is a good thing. We kind of wanted to work out. Hopefully our legs are numb tomorrow because we haven't worked out in forever.
Oh, Corona.
Of course, because of Corona. That's the only reason that would stop us. But yeah, so we're gonna continue along this path.
We got
We got it, but I don't know if we got the garden. Maybe another day. All right, you guys, we'll be back. You guys, we made it to, I guess this is the top. But look how pretty.
looks
Look
like
at these views.
gorgeous.
Views. That's downtown LA there. And then it's just such a big city. If you look how big LA is.
Huge. Worth all of the hiking up.
It's
You
like
guys
pretty
should
much
totally
it
do
goes
it.
all the way around, but it's very pretty. I wish it was a prettier day, like it wasn't as gloomy.
Right, so you can see as far because I don't know if you can even tell. I guess you can on the film, but there's like mountains there, and
Right.
there's some like beyond there.
It's very pretty. We
Gorgeous.
haven't found this what is it called? It's been so long.
Japanese garden.
Japanese garden.
Oh, it's on
We
this.
may just continue hiking and make our way back to the car, but this was so pretty.
Oh my gosh, totally
Kind of
worth
worth it. It's called Inspiration Point.
Right, this one's called.
Well, this one's
Autumn.
called Autumn's Peak. But yeah, so this is it, you guys. It's so pretty. This is where we live. This is Los Angeles.
Yes, guys, come do it. But
Good.
I was right. Those are snake holes, and there was some sort of rat that ran out in front of Jarrell.
It was a rat that ran in front, but I wasn't as scared as I thought it would be. I'm terrified of rats, but it wasn't
Yeah.
that bad.
I
But
left New York for this.
in nature, that's where rats belong. Or mice.
We're
So yeah,
on
you
their
guys.
turf.
All right, we'll come back when there's something else interesting, or if we find the garden.
Japanese garden. Although, I mean, I'm sure it's beautiful, but this is
Yeah, this is great.
stunning.
You guys, look at, oh, damn it. I almost had him. He was here for like a
Lizard.
whole
He's right here.
30 seconds.
Can you see him?
Oh,
He's
no,
right there.
I see him now. He camouflages. Keep moving closer, but there's lizards and things. I was trying to get him. Hopefully you saw him before he scurried away.
Yay, cute. In
But
Florida, lots of
maybe
lizards.
that's what scurried across.
It looks
Before.
bigger than a lizard.
But yeah, so we gave up on it. No
Yeah.
Japanese garden for this time.
Next
But we'll
time.
be back again, and we'll get directions.
Exactly.
But
Even though there was a map.
right. But yeah, so we're headed back to the car. Look at those flowers, so pretty.
Beautiful.
Headed back to the car. It's not really hot right now. It's like we're sweating only because we've been walking.
But that's only because we went up the
And
hill.
we went
but
up the hill,
It's really nice.
right? But yeah, so we're gonna go back to the car.
It's so nice to get out and move our body and get some exercise.
Right.
Although I miss lifting.
I miss everything. But we'll be back to normal sometime soon.
At some point.
So we'll come back and close this video off shortly.
Yeah?
But yeah. Okay, you guys. All right, guys, we're back
Yes, we are.
and we're done. We're
Done?
done with that hike.
So,
Done. So we didn't find what we were looking for, but it's okay.
But we
can always
found
go back.
beautiful, amazing views that were
Yeah.
totally worth it. We
Right.
got out in nature. We moved up. Oh, it is.
And I feel proud. I feel like I've accomplished something.
Yes.
Instead of laying on the couch.
Although, love laying on the couch.
Yeah,
but
he doesn't.
this was amazing for our
Yeah.
bodies and amazing views.
Right.
So, have you moved your body today? If so, comment down below and tell us what. And if not, then maybe you shouldn't. Maybe you
Maybe you
should.
should try that. Get
Try.
up and do something.
Yeah. Now I'm trying to find some. We're trying to find a 7-Eleven so we can get some Gatorade Zero. Replenish electrolytes.
Right.
No sugar. Yes.
Okay. All right. Bye, you guys. Until next time. Oh, you gotta do the spiel.
Oh yes, guys, don't forget to subscribe. It's at Booze Cruise. That's at BOOSCRUIZ because you're worth it. Back later with keto chili, and also tonight's dinner, which is going to be chicken fettuccine or chicken Alfredo. We said that before, but we're gonna
Oh, I thought it was
film
cheese
it.
broccoli something.
Chicken broccoli Alfredo.
Oh,
So cheese broccoli.
there we go.
With chicken, but not
All right.
fettuccine.
There we go. Makes sense.
We love you. So much Boozkers content. Can you take it?
They're trying to give you what you need.
We are. We're back.
All right, you guys. Bye.
Bye.